Támuid bailíonn seo tróna ag Bronnadh Ghradam Sheosaimh Ógartaigh fiche seach déag. Chun ceiliúradh a dhéanamh agus aitheantas a chóid don obair go hanga go léir a tuairisciú le gnólachtaí agus ag agrachtaí in Gaiileh. Cahar go hangach na hÉireann agus príomhchathair chultúrna Eorpa fiche. Inis támuid taca chug buig fint na híthe nacht.
There's a butcher on Ghradam Sheosaimh Ógartaigh now 100 na Facamore, Air Square Centre.
We're absolutely delighted to be the overall winners this year. It's extremely important for the Air Square Shopping Centre. This award is only the start for us. We're now going to make sure that all of our tenants incorporate the Irish language into each unit within the centre.
It's been really interesting watching it over the past year, the development of the new entrants and the integration of Irish with the shops that have come in. Also, the amount of work that has gone into the past year has been tremendous. Like, everything now is basically run through Irish and English, and it's very good to see.